Hey guys, Justin Eakins here, Canadian River Hilton Hunting Lodge in western Oklahoma. Decoy placement is such a key. You can take the decoy out and you can have great results with your decoy. The deer can come to it, but if you haven't placed it right, it hasn't helped you whatsoever in getting a deer. So you always want to make sure and put this decoy in your comfort zone of range and where you have a clear shot. So if you're right-handed and right down here is your shot area, don't put your decoy over here to your right where you can't turn and shoot, because if everything works like it's supposed to, that deer is going to go to your decoy. A posturing buck like this, when a buck sees it, a lot of people think, man, they're going to come right in and hit it. If you've got a little kind of a narrow window between the trees and stuff, don't put your decoy in that little window. Set your decoy in front of where you want your shot placement. 90% of the time or better, the buck's not going to come head on like you're going to think of two bucks fighting, you know, when they're rattling horns. The first thing he's going to do is he's going to try to cheap shot this guy. Hey, if he can cheap shot him and get him out of there without having to have a major encounter, he will. The buck's going to circle around and he's going to come right in to the flank right behind this buck, and he is going to posture just like this, and he will circle right in behind that. If you'll set it just quartered away from you like that and you're back over here, when he comes in and postures, he's going to be focusing right here, which is going to give you an opportunity to draw, and everything should be good. And that should give you a great opportunity at a broadside to quartering away shot without that buck focusing on you in your stand, give you an opportunity to draw.